At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, April 17, 2023, Mullen files to resell up to 2.1 billion shares of Mullen stock. Mullen would have 5.90 billion shares of common stock outstanding following the completion of the resale. Mullen Automotive has filed to resell up to 2.11 billion shares issuable upon conversion of Series D preferred stock and the exercise of warrants. The company had 3.79 billion shares of common stock outstanding as of April 13. Mullen stock is down by over 65% year to date. Shares of Mullen Automotive, Nasdaq MULN, stock are in full focus after the electric vehicle company filed to resell up to 2.11 billion shares of common stock. These shares will become issuable to the selling stockholders upon the conversion of Series D preferred stock and the exercise of warrants. The Series D preferred stock will be convertible to common stock on a 1-to-1 basis. Meanwhile, the warrants will have an exercise price of the lower of $1.27, which was the closing price of Mullen stock on the day that the securities purchase agreement was enacted, or the closing price of Mullen the day before the purchase date with a price floor of 10 cents. These warrants will be exercisable upon issuance and carry a term of 5 years. The selling stockholders may sell the shares at their discretion. Mullen will not collect any proceeds from the sale of common stock by the selling stockholders other than any proceeds from any cash exercise of the warrants. Mullen files to resell up to 2.1 billion shares of Mullen stock. Several notable selling stockholders are mentioned in the filing, including Michael Wachs of Esouza Holdings, Taryn Pizer of Acuitas Capital, and Timothy Davis Rice of Davis Rice Pty Ltd. Wachs is eligible to resell up to 784.47 million shares, Acuitas can resell up to 769.09 million shares, and Davis Rice can sell up to 384.54 million shares. Following the completion of the resale, Wachs will own 300.28 million shares, Acuitas will own 7.64 million, and Davis Rice will own 34.25 million. Mullen also disclosed that it had 3.79 billion shares of common stock outstanding as of April 13. However, the resale of 2.11 billion shares would make common stock outstanding greater than 5 billion, which is the number of shares that Mullen is authorized to issue. This has led to speculation that Mullen will enact a reverse stock split before the resale is completed in order to consolidate the number of shares. So, where exactly are these warrants and Series D preferred stock coming from? They stem from an existing securities purchase agreement that will see Mullen receive $90 million in 2 equal tranches, one today, April 17, and the other on May 15. In exchange, Mullen will provide Esouza Holdings, Acuitas Capital, Davis Rice Pty Ltd., and Alt Lending with Series D preferred stock and warrants. Thanks for watching. Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.